Hi guys, welcome back to Ndatse's channel. So today I'm her model for today. So she'll be glamming me up, and yes, of course we have been waiting for this video since long time. So finally we did it. So enjoy the video. Bye.
Leave me, I don't know where I go. My baby, won't you let me hold you close to my heart? Say you'll be mine. Stay with me, baby, me my fantasy. Let me my queen. I will be your king and I will meet your need. You and me forever, baby. Oh, let's take a little walk down memory lane. What do I see? Are those tears and pain? Oh, I see lies and deception, even from those who claim to be exceptions. Now you wonder if love is a mystery, cause of all the heartbreaks written in your history. I know I'm the last guy you should give a minute.
Hi guys, good evening. It's evening over here, and welcome back to my videos.
Channel.
As you can see how tired I look, and I have spent the whole evening, this is almost midnight actually, or 4 AM as Sarah calls it, getting her from nah to glam. So I'm transforming Sarah from a no makeup look at all to this beautiful look right here. And I've been wanting to do a highlighting and contouring tutorial for a long time. You guys have requested for it, and of course, you know, when you request for tutorials, I always listen. So I used the opportunity to do a highlighting and contouring tutorial on Sarah's face. And I hope you guys enjoy this video, learn a thing or two. Let me know what you guys think in the comment sections. Let me know if you would like me to do more face beat on other people's videos and everything. So just let's enjoy the video.
Everybody's watching her, but she's looking at you.
So we're gonna make this interactive, Sarah. You're gonna tell us, I'm gonna be asking you questions like about yourself, where you're from, how old are you, blah blah blah. We're not gonna talk about work today. Okay. So Sarah, do you have any like preference of colors when it comes to doing your makeup, or you just like to go with the flow?
I would love to go with the flow, of course.
Tell us about you.
Oh my gosh, what you want to know about me? Of course you know everything.
Tell me, I never asked you, how old are you?
I'm 24.
And where are you from?
I'm from a small, very small country. It's called Bhutan. And I'm sure most of the people, they don't know where it's at.
I know where it is. It's one of the...
Alhamdulillah.
It's one of my bucket list countries. I want to go there. So guys, I'm just like outlining Sarah's eyebrow. I'm gonna use brown for her because she's light skinned, as you can see. And I'm just gonna fill it in gently before I color it with my concealer. So yeah, Sarah, continue what you were telling us.
I forgot what I was saying.
So Sarah is from Kingdom of Bhutan. Sometimes
Yes.
I wonder, is it called Bhutan or Bhutan?
It's Bhutan.
And it's
a
really
beautiful country. You should visit. My gosh, I love my country. And you know, it's one of the most happiest countries
in the world. But I hear that, is it true that they don't allow a lot of tourists into like Bhutan? You have to come on invitation or something?
No.
Okay, that's just trash food.
Yeah, of course.
So guys, I'm using the Laura Mercier brow gel in espresso.
This is what you came for.
Sarah, do you like Nigerian music?
Yes, of course I do.
Which one do you know?
I don't know any word, but I remember once when I came to your office and you were playing it, and I'm like just... It was really nice.
Yes, exactly.
So this is And that's his song, right?
Yeah. I want to love you for life.
Oh, really?
So guys, I'm done with Sarah's eyebrows, and now I put concealer on her eyelids. I'm going to go in and define her crease, and I'm thinking we're going to play with glitter today, so let's just see what we come up with to make Sarah look glam. So I'm just going to tap this into her crease color as my first base, something very similar to her eyes, but a little bit darker. So I am almost done with Sarah's eyes, but I've done the major work, and I'm going to go in with this Max Factor foundation in the shade Caramel 85 for her foundation. And you guys know how I like to do my foundation. I like to just drip it everywhere first. I typically don't like work from one part of the face, which most makeup artists do. I just put it around and then I start to work right from there. So Sarah, how are you feeling about your makeup?
Oh my god, I'm feeling like supermodel.
Sarah is feeling like a supermodel. Which one would you be? Carrie Banks or Naomi Campbell? Or,
To be honest, there's one model, she looks like me, you know, Ashley Moore.
no, I don't really
Yeah.
know those models. She is gorgeous. And I'm going in with my damp beauty blender to blend, obviously to apply the foundation on Sarah's face.
I don't know which one.
This is NYX foundation in I'm not sure, but I'll leave it in my description bar below. Can we listen to Adele again? Thank you. Oh really? Oh, how sweet.
Oh my god! I look so different. Oh my gosh, look at my skin.
Beautiful, just like you are.
I wish my skin was this way. Oh my god, I look so beautiful. Thank you, Ndatse.
You're welcome. So I'm gonna use the advantage of having Sarah here to do my very highly requested highlighting and contouring tutorial, which I have been planning to do. So now is the moment. So when you're doing your highlighting and contouring, I know that there's general principles for doing your highlighting and contouring, but you also need to not just follow the way everybody's doing theirs. You need to look at the shape of your face. You don't only need to look at the shape of your face, you need to look at what kind of look you are trying to go for as well. So I'm just going to show the general principles. Everybody's everybody's face of shape is different. So, but the general principles is you apply your highlighter under the eye here, under the eye here, on the bridge of the nose here, and then a bit of highlighter here as well. So the purpose of highlighting is to actually attract the eye. Whatever place you highlight is the place where the eye is going to meet first, and whatever place you contour is where you're kind of hiding. So when you're contouring your cheekbone, so it's giving you this, structured shape of your face. But I must say it as well, like when you're highlighting your forehead, you have to consider the shape of your face and the shape of your forehead. If you have a naturally wide forehead, you might want to be contouring in a way that you might want to be highlighting in a way that narrows it down, and contouring as well. So it all depends on the shape of your face and the look you're trying to go for. So for Sarah, I'm just gonna go with more of the general way of contouring, because since she has high cheekbones already, I'm not going to extend this look too much. If not, her face is going to look very, you know, snatched up there, and that's not the look I'm trying to go for. So are you ready?
Yes.
Look up, please.
Whatever your music.
I'll charge it for you. So I'm not going to take Sarah's contouring all the way here. I'll instead focus on making it more down and a little bit wider because she already has a high cheekbone. So when you're doing your highlighting and contouring, it's not just following what you see girls do on Instagram. You also have to consider the look you're trying to go for and the shape of your face. And then I want Sarah's forehead to appear a little bit wider. So I'm just going to extend my highlighting a little bit this way. She's like, thank you. And then I'm going to go in with my damp beauty blender as well and blend out the product which I have put. I don't think I will do that right now because because this MAC concealer or this MAC highlighter is very liquid. It's not very pasty, so I'm going to let it dry down a little bit first, and then instead of just wasting the time, I'm going to go in with the contouring. So because it's easy for me to blend both at the same time, but if you're new and you're starting out, I would advise you do one before the other. For me, I already know how to blend it, so I'm going to just do both. And so for contouring, because Sarah doesn't have any, I don't have any shades of concealer which are for Sarah, I'm just going to use the lightest of my shade to contour, and I'm going to be using the powder contour. And then I have this contour brush which I like to use. So this is my contour brush which I like to use for the cheekbone, for the under of her chin, and I'm going to use a very light color. So when you're contouring, you want to follow the line from your ear. So where your ear sort of starts here, and take it down. Also, what I'm trying to emphasize here is you have to consider the shape and structure of your face. So like for instance, if she had a wider face, I wouldn't bring it all, I would bring it all the way down here, but because she doesn't have a very wide face, I will just stop somewhere here. So I'm just making a line here, which I'm going to blend later. And then as well, I'm going to kind of contour this place as well. So where her, I don't know what this part of the face is called, but I'm also going to apply a little bit of contour so that you kind of see a structure curving this way. So don't mind my application, I know what to do, but if you're using like a liquid concealer or you're new, you need to like really take your time. Also, I'm going to like put here lightly because I don't want to really carve out her face too much. Her face is not like plump, or I'm not trying to achieve a very too much structured face. So I'll just apply a little here. Sarah, thank you for being used. And then for the nose as well, what you just do is highlight on the side of the nose so that it appears snatched. You know that Instagram look, you guys all know the drill. So I think like this highlighter might have thickened the bits, and mattified, so I'm just going to go in and blend it right now. So you can see this part which I have blended out. You can probably see it's already looking little lighter than her skin because it's called highlighting. But of course, by the time you're done, we shouldn't see a difference. Like, you can see where you highlighted, where you contoured, where you put bronzer. Yeah. Everything should look like one flawless face. We don't want to see the differences. So that's where blending comes in.
It's 4 o'clock in the morning and still we are doing this video.
We are doing this video.
And we both have work
in the morning.
Oh my god.
So you can see already how it looks, but that's not the end. I'm still going to go in with my setting powder. I wouldn't set for too long in this video. I'm just going to set for a little bit and then blend out the contour with the highlighting, and then blend the whole face with her powder shade. So because this is a makeup look she's not carrying for the whole day, it's already like late in the night, she's probably just going to go out with this look. I'm not going to set for so long. I'm not going to bake her face. I'm just going to use a damp beauty blender in my setting powder and just press in the setting powder into her face. So I'm not baking for a long time. I'm just setting the setting powder in her face.
Setting the setting powder, wow. There's no one around.
Invite your friend. Take me out.
It's 4 o'clock. Oh my god, everyone must be sleeping now. Thank you guys for watching.
I hope you guys have learned a thing or two from this video. It's pretty much about the highlighting and contouring. That was what I was trying to really highlight, pun intended, in this video. And I hope you guys like Sarah's glam. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a
thumbs up.
Subscribe to my channel. Sarah, tell them to subscribe.
Yes, please subscribe to her channel.
Maybe they're tired of hearing it from me.
Yes, please subscribe to her channel and don't forget to subscribe down
below. Click the red red button down below. You would always get a notification anytime and every time I post a video. So until my next video, guys, I'm NdatseNdomo on Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, and of course YouTube here. We love you guys and see you guys in our next video.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Hi guys.
Hi.
Good evening.
Good evening.
It's evening over here.
Yeah. No. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Go.
Hi guys. Good evening.
It's
evening. Sarah, what are you doing?
1, 2, 3, go.
Hi guys. This thing is too inside. Can you zoom out?
You are talking too fast. Okay.
Yes.
You're talking too fast. Talk a little slowly. No, I cannot talk fast like you.
Okay.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, start.